Lẽ cần thanh phê á sen khana boss back on it. Maybe it's so hot, top up, man. Type big screen and then take them down. Look off. Apa kau asal dari sini lo? Kau sok lah. Kita jangan sok mer. Ada itu ni. Ini leng kaman angan tibok sia. Apa boleh tahu? Kita terakhir roti ni tu nuhan tan cuk roti. Tan istilah parang kuda mi le. Kong hoi lampang. Ya cuk kerana lah spot rem lo em. En lai tu spot cakan lah zong kuala di. Boy tak kop mai. Indut sakit kita.
Hello everyone, this is the finals of Red Bull Tlang Ruam.
Kita ada full tu.
There will be 15 riders coming down. After every rider finishes his ride is when the next rider will start. The winner of this event will be representing India at the Red Bull Valparaiso, which will happen in Chile. After 15 riders, there's going to be a showcase between two Red Bull athletes, Thomas and Pedro. That's going to happen after all the 15 riders go down. First of all, to start with, it's seed number 15.
No, and around transport on.
Watch all the live action on the screen, and Pedro has started his race now.
Almali Red Bull rider in around test ride pasadon ni. Around Tlang cie. Kila. Around pasadon ni atau ya. Test rider dia, tuan lain race cendona, kompetitor Tlang sampai dorang.
Yes, finals of Red Bull Tlang Ruam started. This is the top 15 participants who are going to start with their races now.
So pengan Tlang na. Oleh, ronda sukses. Akura.
Nôm na cần thêm cái cần lâu nào.
Còn thanh thật đẹp.
Lại cho một
Arriba, venga. Lên đâu bằng khóc, cứ là lái cho lên đâu bằng khóc vậy, sọ bạc quả mi châu là gì? Thảo phà.
có hắn hào phả.
Sport to many more people like you, and we can have a big party and also show the beautiful city of Aizawl. So we are thanking you for welcoming us, and hopefully the city will ask us to come back again next year, and then I will ask you to call all your friends so we can make an even bigger party next year. Okay? Thank you.
Thế là mặc ôm lòng để con như
We're now going to see two of the best downhill athletes in the world perform. These are Red Bull athletes, Thomas Lavik and Pedro.
Thì sắp vào phần đi một tàn thôi.